Hey, my name is Ben. Thanks for stopping by. So today I'm actually in Costa Maya, Mexico. My wife and I are on a little getaway, but I see some electrical stuff over here, so let's just go take a look at what they did. Or what they didn't do, more importantly. So we've got a big transformer here, so we must have our mains coming in and then feeding up from that through this meter. But the meter is lacking a few essential safety items. It is a digital meter, so that's kind of cool. But it feeds up and all of the wires are just exposed. You can see this double pole breaker right here that they have. It has slots, covers that are missing. And then right here is a 60 amp 3-pole breaker. See, are all 3 poles hooked up? No, they just have 2 hooked up there. And there were 2 coming out of the top. Wow, that is really interesting. Sorry, just watching around me. So these must be our main lines feeding in right there underneath the meter socket. And then it goes up and through the meter. Honestly, I can't really see exactly what's going on, but it's pretty funny nonetheless. So what it looks like they did here is instead of having this snapped into a bar, they actually just attached onto the back of the breaker, just like shoved something in there to connect the wires on, and they just taped it off. So, I mean, most of the hot wires are protected, so that's good, I guess. There's the cover for this box right here in case they ever decide to reinstall it. So, pretty interesting. I would have to say, good job on making it work, and you know, who cares about safety anyway, right? Doesn't really matter. There were also these abandoned electrical meters all along this tourist area over here, because I think they thought it was going to develop more than it actually ended up developing. So we're just outside of the tourist trap in Costa Maya. You get off the cruise ship and then you're like funneled through this horrible death trap of stores, and eventually you can make it out and then see the more undeveloped parts. It's kind of a cool truck. So, see you later.